Meaning of DuPont.
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 DuPont. DuPont is a multinational conglomerate company that specializes in chemicals, materials science, and biotechnology. Founded in 1802, DuPont's name comes from the last names of its two founders, Éliothere Irénée DuPont and Samuel Francis DuPont de Nemours. Today, the company operates in over 70 countries and has a diverse range of products including agricultural products, industrial fibers and plastics, electronic materials, and safety and protection equipment. DuPont is dedicated to innovation and sustainability, striving to create solutions that improve people's lives and the world around us.